Hello, I'm Gloria Gaynor, and we're in Englewood Cliffs, New Jersey. Welcome to my humble abode. So glad I changed that stupid lock. In fact, I've now got brand new keys, and I will survive. This entry pictures my dream home. I saw this double staircase in a photograph many, many years ago when I was a child. And I decided I wanted it for my home, for my dream home someday, and someday has come. The porcelain that the floors are made of all over the home are imported from Italy, and the custom star that's in the center of this room is my design. It represents to me that I have reached the pinnacle of my dreams in this home. The outside of the home is really modern, as you can see, and I really love the combination of the brick and the stucco. My favorite thing are the two pillars and the two lions that sit beside them. I'm a Christian, and lions for me represent the Lion of Judah, and I've got two of them. So my house is well protected.
Jesus, take me to the higher ground.
This is my living room that I really, really like for the arched windows. And this is my piano where I first got the idea for my latest single, Fighter Known. These are photos of my family and very, very close friends who I call frams, which are friends that are like family. And what I like most of all in this room is this piece here. It opens and you never expect it to. The statues, the angels are representative of my faith, and I collect them from anywhere and everywhere. I really like modern things. I really like the chandelier in this room because it is a geometric design and I just really love it. The awards on that mantle are some of my prized possessions. My two Grammys, one for I Will Survive and the other for my gospel album. Last but surely not least is the award from the National Museum of African American Music. Right now we're sitting in the family room of my home, which is the room that I spend the most time in. I wanted the house to flow from one room, one area, into another because I love to entertain. I love television, I'm almost a TV addict, so we spend a lot of time here. And it's a comfortable, fun, relaxing place to be. I am what I am, and I am a child of light. So I love the airiness and the brightness that comes in the house that I don't need artificial light during the day. This sitting area, I love it because, first of all, I love these chairs when I saw them along with the table, and they're very, very comfortable. I like things that are modern but comfortable. The fact that they're black is wonderful for me because I'm told, I don't realize this, but I'm told that I'm always touching my face, which means that my makeup gets on things. And so it doesn't show on my furniture. I just had such a great time furnishing this home. And when I saw these tables with the glass, I love glass and I love crystal mirror. And when I saw this, I loved it. The kitchen has a wonderful stone counter with the waterfall design. And this teapot here is the last teapot of my collection. I have a collection of teapots that I started with a teapot that looks like a television with Lucy from I Love Lucy sticking her head out of it. And then I just started collecting teapots from all over the world, and I have quite a good collection. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's just so me. I love the brightness in this room. I have lots of lights on now, but very often I don't turn any lights on in here until maybe 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. The windows let in so much light, and I really love that. I love all of the counter space, not only for preparation, but when things are done, I have place to leave things until we're ready to bring them center stage. This house is about company, it's about guests. If ever I invite someone, I want them to be happy to accept the invitation and glad to be coming back. So this is one of my favorite rooms of the home because it is where we do our fun and games. We have lots of parties. I have my Christmas party down here. Guys are usually looking at a football game in the theater room over there, coming in and out. And that's lots of fun as well. And then there are my gold and platinum records that I'm very, very proud of, chronicling my achievements in the music business. There's also a map on the wall of the world, and you can stick a pin whenever you go someplace in the world and to commemorate where you've been. So that's on the wall here as well. I have 4 bedrooms upstairs, but my bedroom is on the first floor. When I designed this, I was thinking of beauty and comfort. And so the things that I have in here, I chose for practicality as well as beauty. Like my desk is made of that stressed glass that they hit and it shatters, but it doesn't fall apart. I absolutely love the bed. People think it's a sleigh bed. It's not a sleigh bed. It just looks like that because of the shape of the outer frame, which I absolutely adore. I love bling, and so my chandelier is a testament to that. I have a closet that I absolutely adore. It's a woman's dream because there's place for all of my shoes and all of my slacks to be hanging and my gowns, and I think it's every woman's envy who doesn't have one. So now we're out on my lanai. This is where I come sometimes to pray, but most of the time I'm just here listening to the sound of the water, which is so very, very relaxing. When I have company over, sometimes we don't eat in the dining room. If it's a wonderful day like today, if I had company today, I would be having them sit out here and eat at the table. I think it's really refreshing having an outdoor space, a change of scenery, and just enjoy the warm weather. We don't have that much of it in this part of the world, but when we do have it, we relish it and we enjoy it, and no better place to do that than right here. As you may or may not know, I never can say goodbye, but I can say thank you for coming with me on this short tour of my home. I hope you've enjoyed it.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.